Welcome to a new video. So I want to share with you a new healthy low-carb smoothie today. And smoothies in general can be really high in sugar. So if you're eating low carb or you're doing a keto diet, sometimes it can be tricky to, like make a really delicious smoothie without having to add a ton of fruits and sugars. So the first thing I'm gonna be using is half an avocado. You can also add more if you want, so you could definitely use a whole avocado. So then you want to use a quarter of a cucumber. So this was actually a big cucumber, so it looks like a big piece, but it's actually just a quarter of a cucumber. And so the next thing I'm going to be using a small piece of ginger. I love using ginger in all my smoothies because of the anti-inflammatory properties, and it just adds freshness to smoothies. So I'm just going to be adding a small piece here. It's about 1 teaspoon or half a tablespoon. I'm going to be adding blueberries. And the most important ingredient are the raspberries, or you can also use strawberries. The reason I love berries with low carb smoothies is just because of how low they are in sugars, but they still taste amazing. 3/4 of a cup is only 10 grams of carbs. So if I'm using just 2/4 of a cup, then that's only about 7 grams of carbs. I'm using frozen fruits here, frozen organic fruits, but if you don't have frozen organic fruits, you can of course use regular fruit and just add some ice. And the last thing that I really love to add to all of my smoothies is collagen protein. The reason why I love to use collagen protein is because it's protein and it doesn't have an aftertaste. You can't taste it, and like the texture is very different from whey protein. And I'm gonna be adding 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, and if you don't have almond milk, of course you can just use water. I've used water before, but I just like that almond milk thickens the smoothie a little bit more. So I'm gonna add 1 cup of that. And there we have it. I've made this before, but I feel like it always tastes better every time. It looks good too, and feel free to also add additional, sugar-free ingredients. For example, natural Greek yogurts would be an amazing addition to this smoothie if you want added protein without the sugar or the carbs. And I hope that you enjoyed this recipe. I'm gonna link below the other healthy smoothies that I have on this channel. Don't forget to check them out, and I will see you guys in the next video.